Mr. Kevin, you've been at Kianjata Springs campsite for the last 3 days.
Okay.
Can you give me part of your experience?
I think the experience has been good, and we've had fun in terms of team building with the rest of the groups. First of all, if I may start even with where we are sleeping is okay. The beddings are okay. You know this place is cold, and we have so much blanket and bedsheet, which is also okay for our health and everything. If I may talk also for the shower, we have warm water, which is okay depending on this kind of environment. We're coming from Nairobi and it's cold. We use warm water, which Kianjata has provided, and the food has also been okay during the 3 periods we've been here. We can't say any complaint. For those of vegetarians, even like us, we had options. Other, if you're not eating meat, you still have vegetables and everything, which is still also okay for our health. And in terms of the leaders who are here, in terms of Kianjata, the owners of Kianjata and the people who have been allocated, they're so courteous, as in they know how to speak, each and every person. I haven't seen anybody rude. Everybody has been okay in terms of their speech and everything. In terms of the service, they're so courteous. From the kitchen to the people helping us in our rooms, everything, the water, everything has been okay. And also for us, even as the people who came here as a group, we've had fun. We've been taught a lot in terms of the skills we've learned from here. We've had discussions which are okay. We've been allocated bonfire, which we are able actually, it's a conducive environment to learn and also to talk, which is also okay. So far the environment has been good. Our request is that probably in future, Kianjata Spring can also see actually from what they've learned from us, because you know each group has its own. Kianjata can learn from the group that has been here. What are the challenges Kianjata themselves have faced from us, so that at least if there is no water, for example, in the shower or anything, they're able to upscale that. From next time, the group that is here, at least next year, they're able at least when we come here, we need to see at least some changes.
Okay, I understand Kianjata Springs campsite organized a hike for you.
Yeah.
Where did you go?
Yeah, Thompson Falls. We went to Thompson Falls, which was superb. We had to go down. It was quite an experience. So far, among the group members, no one had gone there, so which is also okay. We were able to learn. We had the tour guide also gave us so much exposure here to encourage us and everything, which it was fun. It was an experience like no other, and we hope that if you have a chance to come back here, we'll still be able to go to Thompson Falls, which was fun. The walking was also okay. No issues at all and everything. It was team building, just encouraging each other to go there, and so far we made it. We have the photo, we have the video, which was okay.
What is your parting shot?
We can say that this place is good. The environment is so good. We can't make any complaints so far, but just encouragement for Kianjata. They continue doing this. Let them come up with other creative ideas that we don't know, so that at least when we come here, we don't meet the same things in terms of prior activities or anything, but we're able to have so much experience from what we learned this year. Next year we need to learn more than what we learned this year.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So thank you.